to say, I'm sure you won't be able to turn your head away.
Wanna welcome everybody to Lone Star State. You're a pleasure, do it all, cause we know how to be great. Home of the best, you we got the best green. Most of the people here, yo, while we're drinking lean. Some people here, yo, smoke that Bobby Brown. So holla at your boy, yo, when you hit my town. Home of the Astros, home of the Rockets. I try to keep a little change inside of my pockets. Home of the Texas, who it used to be. Olas, yo, I don't wanna spoil it, but you do not know us. Home of Fat Pat, yo, home of DJ Screw, yo, I'm looking all around, yo, who the hell is used? Home of the greatest that you ever seen, yo, it's been a long time to finally be me. Finally grab a pen and write down all my sins. It's hard to express, but we get our ends.
When you hear what I've got to say, I'm sure you won't be able to turn your head away. When you hear what I've got to say, I'm sure you won't be able to turn your head away.
Home of Swisher House, yo, home of LUC with all of this rap, yo, do you know me? Home of the presidents, where we're coming from. I'm talking about Bush and maybe his son. We are the greatest thing you ever seen. No, I know a lot of people just wanna be like me. Home of Little Flip, yo, home of Slim Thug. You ain't shit, won't get respect from us. We made a rap what it is with all of the G's. Home of the best, home of the freestyle king. House is where I'm from, and now I'll never leave. Maybe am who I am every days of the week. No 82, I know 281, but 713, that's where we're coming from. We know our own place, we call the Lone Star State, cause we don't play games with all of this hate. 1836, get an independence, but people don't listen, just wanna hate on us. Affiliate with pimps, I know too many cats don't want no more friends, I just want some cat. Talking about pussy, yo, not your pussy ass. I'm sorry, this is Screw, and I'm talking kinda fast. Going off topic, yo, push your kinda ass. Yo, I'm talking about Houston with that best grass.